Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is Vaishnavi Singh you're watching right now, and welcome to practice session of my English spoken. And I'm not a teacher here, I'm just a learner like you all, and sharing my experiences and tips that I have applied, and I have seen a huge improvement in my lifestyle and English spoken as well. So yeah, let's dive in. So today, and I have to think about the topic, and yeah, I had a topic in my mind. I've just forgotten after starting my camera. So yeah, that was the topic in my last video. We have talked about, discipline. Yeah, so discipline. But today we are going to talk about some stage fear. If you have that stage fear in your mind, you are going to get over today from that. So if you're giving a speech on a stage, what you can do is, first thing, you can just explain that. Oh my god, let me just save my phone first. You can just explain that in the beginning only that, yeah, thank you so much for having me here, but I'm a little nervous after looking at all of you. Hope you won't mind. This is my first interview. You know what happens when you express yourself in front of people? The you know that that fear goes out a little bit. Trust me, it happens with me as well. The fears goes out, the nervousness goes out a little bit only. So you can do one thing, and you have expressed yourself now. So now if you make a mistake, people will understand that this person is nervous, that's why he's making mistake. So they will understand, somehow they will understand, maybe 80%, 90%, not all of them, but they will. Second thing, which is hence proven, like I have applied a lot, because I've never gotten that chance to give a speech on a stage, but I have gotten that chance to perform on stage. So what I do is, I get so nervous while dancing on a stage, and people will look at me. How will they perceive my everything, like am I dancing, my steps? I will get nervous. Oh, everyone is looking at me. This happens with you also? Yes. The best idea today, from today, you are not going to get anxious, fear, or nervousness will go away from you. Just find that familiar face in the audience. You surely you will have a familiar face in the audience. Your friend, it can be your friend, your mother, your sister, your sibling, your cousin, it can be anyone. For me, it is my cousin, sister, obviously. But find that familiar face and make eye contact to that person only. And dance whenever you are just turning and looking at, make eye contact to that person. And you can do this like to that person only. If you're giving a speech also, you can look at the person. You don't have to look at everyone around there. And when you finish your half of your speech, you can look around, because now you have gotten that confidence that I have given my half of a speech, and this was quite well, pretty well. So after looking around also, I can give a good speech. Then you can look around, and again you can make eye contact. This trick really works, because it works for me all the time. I do this. So okay, this thing we have talked about. Now, one thing also I have heard that if you're going to give a speech, you can do a practice. Just practice that speech, learn those lines, and practice in front of the mirror. Because mirror is like a full of audience, because you get so nervous in front of the mirror, even if you are standing in front of the mirror, because you are looking at yourself, and yourself also looking at yourself. So you are getting anxious that, oh, this person is looking at me, how should I perform? That thing might help you a little bit. Not, I won't say completely that will take the fear away from you, but you will get the hang of it, how you're gonna do that. And again, you can also record yourself. That's the best part. You can also look at yourself. Oh, I'm looking so nice while saying these words, while giving the speech. So you can do this as well. And one thing I want to tell you today, that I have learned this thing so far. If you really want to learn something in life, if you really want to achieve something, the act creativity, something like English spoken, dancing, or anything, singing, anything it can be. Fake it till you make it. Fake it till you make it. So try to fake that thing. You have now I have learned all the knowledge from English grammar. I have gotten all the things, but when will I start speaking? Is there any fixed time that I should start speaking at that time of only? No, there's no at time. So I should start right now, and I should start in a way that I am pro at it. Yes, practice. How much practice that you have never gotten it, and perform that you are pro at it. That's what I've been doing for my whole life. This goes with everything, like dancing. So if you want to get pro at dance, so practice that you have never gotten it. Practice like 100 times, how much you want to. But when you're performing it, perform like a pro, like I do it. So I've been practicing. I am not practicing my spoken right now, but I have practiced so many things so many times. Like if any word I don't know the pronunciation, I would Google that word and I used to speak that word out loud. I would speak that word to my family members. Even they are not getting what I'm trying to say, but I would speak because I was faking it until I was getting it. So fake it till you make it. Oh my God. Again, the weather has become so beautiful because the rainy and windy weather I like a lot. So this thing also we have talked about. Anything else? Just start doing something, anything you want to do. Just start doing that thing. There is no fixed time. If you will wait for the perfect time, you will keep on waiting for your entire life. I'm sorry to say that, but that is that's the harsh truth. You will be waiting for your entire life. If you will wait for that perfect time, there's nothing like perfection. And there's nothing like I will become perfect at a day, then only I will speak English. No. If I will start speaking now, only then I can be perfect in future. But if I'll keep on waiting for that perfect time, no, when this happens, only then I will speak English. Only then I will record a video. If I get an iPhone, I'm manifesting this today that I get an iPhone today. So one day I might get an iPhone. So only then I will record myself. Why? What if I will not be able to get iPhone? Then I won't be able to make or record my video any day. So don't wait for perfect time. There is no such time like a perfect timing. No, there is no. If you make your video right now will become your perfect timing. So make this time your perfect time and just start doing what you really want to do, what you actually want to do. And that's what I am doing right now. And I'm so happy to record my videos. And I hope my video can help even a single person. If my video can help even a single person, I'll be so grateful. And I feel that something I have done in life. Yes. Because I have seen people and I've gotten inspired by them. I've gotten so much inspired by them. and I really admire them actually. I want to become like that. If I can become someone for a single person, because coming from a Hindi medium school, speaking this type of English, because okay, so my academics, my studies I've done in Hindi medium school only from, and then I joined an English medium school to teach. Can you believe? So I thought I can practice my English, but there was no point of that doing that, because there only people were not speaking English. That was such a, I what should I say? Everything was just fake. Nothing was real. No one was speaking in English. Not neither teachers, no students. So my practice has went so down, and I had to leave that school because I am not improving here. And the point I joined this school was pointless. So that's why I left this school. Then I tried so many things, and so the final thing I gotten that I should do is that YouTube channel. Here I can practice my English, I can motivate people, I can inspire them. If I can do this, you can do it too. So the long story I will tell in my other video, maybe what I have done to learn, practice my English spoken. But today, that's let's call it a day for the video only. Let's wrap it up. And I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for listening to me, and thank you so much for watching my video. I'm so grateful to all of you and to God as well. Thank you for your timing.